let us know what is a HTML. HTML is nothing but it stands for Hypertext Markup Language. It is the backbone of every web page that you visit on the internet. It's like a foundation of a house, the canvas of painting, or the script of a movie. In simple terms, it is the language that web browsers like Chrome, Firefox, and Safari use it to understand and display the content you see online. In this video, we are going to discuss about the basic structure of HTML and few elements of heading, paragraph, and button. Let's get into it. Before understanding the building blocks of HTML, you need to know what is the HTML syntax. Here is the example for that. The HTML syntax is also called as a element. In this HTML syntax, there is a starting tag and the ending tag. In between these tags, the content is updated. Now, let us know what is the building blocks of HTML. Think of HTML like a set of building blocks. It consists of various elements that define the structure and content of a web page. Each of these elements serves a specific purpose, from creating headings and paragraphs to inserting images and links in the HTML website. Here is the basic structure of a HTML, how the document is to be visible to the user. In this, what is mean by doc type HTML, as you observed in the syntax which is given here? It is nothing but doc type means the declaration of the document type, which is known as DTD, which is known as DTD. Here we are going to declare the type of the document in the website. And then coming to head part, so head part contains a metadata such as external resources like style sheets and scripts, and moreover the essential data inside the head content. In this head content, it is also helpful to store the essential information that is not displayed directly on the web page, but it is important for each browser and search engines to understand and properly render the page. Where the body tag contains the content of the web page, like it contains a few elements like heading element or a paragraph element. Here there are the few tags in HTML. Those are heading elements, paragraph elements, and the button elements. Let's see how these are implemented in the VS Code.